Hello guys, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle, and today we're going to I'm going to show you how to organize a kitchen cabinet. We're gonna open up and then I'll show you how it's looking like right now. Just a mess. So I am replacing these bins just to keep a uniformity in my kitchen, as I went with white, and all the bins are going to be white. I don't know how many I'm gonna keep it, but let's start with getting the things out of the cabinet. Okay, so we're gonna take all the things out. These are more of like everything out. All the bins. So once I'm gonna clean all these, then I will clean it. Here, it's already making sense. Always clear slate. Start with always a clear slate. It gives you really a vision what you're gonna do with the space, where you're gonna place your thing. Anytime you see the mess, always clear things out and purge this. As soon as I'm getting things out, when I'm gonna put them, replace the bins, I'm going with the white bins. Here's the mess you can see with white bins, and I am going to purge them. My other bins here, putting things here, and I'm gonna purge them. All these my kids' tea party sets, etc. They don't need that much. Those are kitchen tablets, etc. So I'll purge them as well. Okay, so next I emptied it all, and now we are going to clean it. See, there was an empty bottle of cinnamon, and it's all ruined. So another thing I wanted to talk about, that liner. Always buy a liner with the grip. When I bought this last time, it was a little cheaper, so sometimes going with the cheaper is not really a great idea. So this time I bought this one, Easy Liner. You guys have seen it in my pantry, so I wanted to say, see, it's kind of ruined my cabinet, the previous liner, because it was sliding, and due to being, can you guys see it? It just made some mark there, the watermark, which is really bad. So I have to, when I'm gonna get rid of it, I am planning to paint these cabinets. So what I would do, I will really sand them down, and then or either replace it, because it drives me crazy when I see things like that. Just keep your investment safe, because what if you have to sell the house? So just using homemade cleaner, as I always do. Hey buddy, my little boy is hanging on my back. So just clean it, and then we will put the liner on. Okay, so as you saw, it's all clean. We are going to put the liner, and I have cut the liner. So this is what I was talking about, the grip liner. It has a really strong grip. It will not move. $5, and it covered my whole cupboard, whole cabinet. I am mostly in England. People say cupboard or whatever, cupboard. I grew up learning British English. So here I have like kind of little more to cut on the side, but I'm planning to keep it as I'm gonna put my bin over it. I planned this one as well. So let's do the last one. Where did the last one go? So the last one, we have to cut it here, like right here, to make it fit according to the shelf, the cabinet. So let me cut it, and now I'll show you guys. Okay, so that is going nowhere else. I cut it in the center, and I could show you how does that look like. Yeah, see, this is like, I hope you can see it. Maybe on this side, yes. So see, because I did not want it to ruin this little portion of the shelf, and keep it clean and nice. And all of these, I'm gonna go down and show you guys that already looking very clean, very neat, and the lining always makes things looks real pretty. Second, we're going to use these bins. I am going to use labels with them because those are not clear bins. And I would recommend something. Not the clear bin is not the answer for every single thing in your life, because sometimes you really don't want to show the mess inside the organized, your organized items, or however I want to say it. Okay guys, so you can see it's already looking really nice, neat. I am going to label them so then you would know what where, but just showing you how neatly it looks. I have to kind of move backwards so you can see it, the whole shelf. And I showed you the whole shelf before. It was pretty ugly looking. Just 1 hour of my time have transformed it very nicely. Okay guys, so I'm all done. You can see, gonna show you here. I moved my spice rack so we can easily access that, and then towels goes in here. Those are some milk to put in milk, those chocolates and sugar mixer, and those are extra towels, dishes, books, ice cream set my brother gave me. Those are some extra gadgets, and kids bin where they have the tea party stuff. And here I'm gonna give you I hope I show you exactly, because I'm standing pretty far. See the before and after. You can see a whole lot of difference. It does not look like the same cabinets. I'm so proud of myself how it turned out to be. Really cool. And so please subscribe to my channel, like it, let me know what kind of video you want to do. My goal is to deliver you projects on budget and teach you how to live debt free. Where is this girl? Want to say hi? Come over, come over. Hi. So little. Hi. So you can see mess behind it, which I'm cleaning now, because as math, is it Mary? Yeah, method, you go through a mess in order to be organized. So let me know what kinds of tutorial you would like to see. Another thing I want to say, really thank you so much, specifically my home talk readers. Thank you so much guys. You guys are just amazing. Give me so much courage to deliver you more and create more stuff. Bye bye, and see you in the next video. So stay debt free and have a beautiful, gorgeous house, but totally on budget. That's the motto. That's the goal of Bushras lifestyle.